Kenneth English.
All right, we out here at Proper Motion, about to get these rims and tires done. Rims, because they are jacked up. It looks good from a distance. We know this. Compliments come every day. But these California potholes have jacked my rims up. You understand what I'm talking about? I got dents. I got everything on the inside lip and the outside lip. They are trash. That's a problem with gloss black wheels too. I've tried to fix them. I carry a tube of gloss black paint in the car, so when I hit a effed up pothole and the wheels get jacked up, now, I don't know how that happened. No clue. And then I got damage from just taking them off and putting them on. But I carry gloss black just to touch them up, and it usually works pretty good. Even the back has hit me with potholes. Little nicks and scratches right on the edge. I would like to get a bigger tire. Maybe it'll help the situation. A little bit wider tire, but the clearance issue is too perfect on this car. I don't have to roll the back or the front, and I get no rubbing. If I put a bigger tire, I might get rubbing. These are repairs I've made over the... Damn, I got these in 2019. It's 2023. That's 4 years worth of California potholes. But that's okay. In a little while, later on today, we will be done. I'll be back. Here we go, eating our Chick-fil-A salad and mac and cheese with bacon and chicken sandwich. And lo and behold, will pull up next to me. That is the tightest Jag XJS I have seen in years. And I mean, sitting on Vogues, chromed out, couple of big old juicy dogs in the back. Ain't nobody going near that car. But that is the cleanest one I have seen in years. Very many years. I need to go get do a full video on this. Clean, dude. Super clean. Golly. Look at this ice cold Jaguar. Shaved on the back. It's probably a Vandenplas. I don't know. It's cold. Well, we back. Car's done. Let's check it out. Okay. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. That's exactly what I'm talking about. And I went ahead and got the calipers done, got them color matched. Everything's looking stupendous. Oh boy. Yes, sir. No more little disgusting white chips. It's probably gonna drive better too. Come to find out, they told me that one of my rims was actually cracked. So we shall see. It's probably gonna drive even better. I mean, after getting all the suspension work done and getting everything tip top, all the bushings, the whole front end's been redone. It drives like a dream. Drives like a dream. It really does. But I was still getting a little annoying occasional vibration at high speed, but now all that should be gone. We are in serious business right now. Serious business. Proper Motion. Y'all did y'all thing. Well, let's go take it out for a spin.